What HVAC maintenance schedule should I follow after installing a new system? Follow a simple schedule. Check filters monthly, schedule professional service twice a year, and have the system inspected before each heating and cooling season. During the first month, learn where the filter is and check it every 30 days, because a dirty filter makes the system work harder and can reduce airflow. Replace a basic filter when it looks dusty, but higher quality filters may last longer, so follow the manufacturer's instructions. A professional should inspect the cooling system in spring and the heating system in fall, even when the equipment seems to work normally. During these visits, the technician can clean important parts, check electrical connections, test safety controls, measure airflow, and look for refrigerant or drainage problems. Keep leaves, grass, boxes, and furniture at least 2 feet away from the outdoor unit so air can move freely. Gently rinse dirt from the outdoor coil with a garden hose after turning off power, but never bend the delicate fins or use a pressure washer. One useful detail is that a clogged condensate drain can shut down cooling or cause water damage, so ask the technician to inspect and clean it. Keep your installation papers, model numbers, filter size, and service records together, because they can help with warranty claims and future repairs. A common mistake is choosing a filter only because its rating is higher, since a filter that is too restrictive can reduce airflow. Use the size and rating approved for your system. Another mistake is skipping the first professional inspection because the equipment is new. Installation debris, loose wiring, or incorrect airflow can cause trouble early, so arrange the first seasonal check. People also often ignore unusual smells, weak airflow, short cycling, or water near the indoor unit. Turn the system off if there is a burning smell or leak, and call a qualified technician promptly. Never pour strong chemicals into a drain line or open refrigerant connections yourself, because both actions can damage equipment and create safety risks. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.